Hello everybody, how you guys doing? Today is going to be another deployment about WordPress 5.5.3. Okay, so let's start right away. Start the timer and let's create a new instance. So I open up already my console. Let's create a new instance from scratch and click free tier and click Linux 2. Now wait for this to load and then click step 6. Configuration security group. Let's add two more rules, HTTP and HTTPS. Oops. Now let's set this to anywhere and launch it. I'll be using my existing key. Okay, so now that's still pending. Let's create a new security group and let us call this, let's delete it. Let's create a new security group and let's call this WordPress RDS 1. So let's add a rule. That should be MySQL Aurora and set it to anywhere, and that's done. Okay, we have this. Remember the name, WordPress RDS 1. Now if we go to our RDS, let's create a new one. Let's select MySQL. MySQL is not here. That's weird. Let's refresh. Now create a database. There it is. Don't know what happened. So let's select MySQL and then let's put the name WordPress. Don't put underscore, it won't accept. And for the username is root. And select this template, free tier. Now for the password, I have my global password. And then switch this to yes. And then let's go to additional connectivity configuration. Click yes for public access and remove the default. Let's select our RDS, this one, RDS 1. The one with the MySQL Aurora inbound rules. And create database. This is going to take a while, so let's go to our ec2 instance. And let's connect. Now from here, let's follow these commands. Enable the PHP. Clean up metadata. And then install the required libraries for Laravel, WordPress. And then let's install as well the Git. Now let's check the version. It's 7.4.11, same as this. Now let's put some permission to our folder. Let's go to this directory. This is where we're going to put our project. So git clone, GitHub, and then I'll name my folder Speedrun underscore WordPress. This is going to take a while. So how long has it been? 4 minutes. Okay, now that's done. Next is, let's go inside our folder. Okay, somehow it's lagging. Okay, now that we are inside, it's clear. Let's check our branch. Which branch are we? So we are at, this is the list of versions. So we are at origin heap, and then we're going to switch to whatever version we like. So if you want version 4, 3 or 2, you can go back to that version, but I'm going for the latest. Next is I'm going to remove the Git, so that if you have an existing Git or you're going to create a new repo for your project, you won't have any problems. Now let's set up the host. So this $sign is going to send us at the bottom of the file. Now let's copy this. Make sure that this is your folder name, and use right click so that it will copy and paste with tabs and enter. Now right and click. And then let's do a chain of commands. Now that's done, let's type in tap. This is going to keep us from logging out. So we are now at 7 minutes mark. Let's try to visit our website. Okay, there it is. So the first thing is to set up our database. Let's go back here and click this. So this is going to be our host. And then our password is the one that we set up a while ago. So the name of our database will be WordPress. So if we submit this, there's going to be an error because this database name doesn't still exist. You need to open up your MySQL Workbench or use Table Plus. Let's connect. Copy this. Host 3306. And then username is root. And the password is this one. Okay, I think that's it. Let's test. Okay, let's connect. And then okay, we're connected. So let's create a new database called WordPress. And then select that. So let's go back and launch this. There should not be any problems in one try. Run installation. Title is Speedrun WordPress. Root and the password. Set this. No. Okay, let's use this one. And then confirm weak password. Let's install. Log in. Type in your password. And there you go. Let's check out the website. There it is. So this is our home page, and let's check the version. No, it's true. Where is that? WordPress, about WordPress. There it is, WordPress 5.6. So I think, let's check our database and refresh. So there it is, we can see the usernames. There it is, root, this is the first user, comments, and other things. I guess you are already familiar with this. So I think that's it. That's almost 11 minutes. Faster than I thought. See you guys in the next deployment.